Super weather.
Winter weather alerts will go into effect across North Texas as we get into early tomorrow morning. Everyone in pink included in the winter storm warning. That starts at 6 o'clock tomorrow morning and runs until noon on Friday. Areas to the south and to the west, that's where we have a winter weather advisory in purple. So we're going to be getting in on that activity as we get through your Thursday. Today, though, is the calm before the storm. The clouds starting to increase. Temperatures today do work their way up into the low 40s. It'll still be chilly out there, but if you've got things you need to get done today out ahead of the winter weather, definitely a good time to do all of that. You see the clouds continuing to stream their way in as we push into the afternoon and evening hours, and then it's late tonight and into tomorrow morning that we'll start to see the winter precip move on in. It starts pretty early tomorrow morning. We're talking 5-6 a.m. and it'll start off as a winter mix, eventually transitioning to snow as we move through the day. I think the bulk of the activity and probably some of the worst road conditions going to be found Thursday afternoon and then into Thursday night, and then things will wrap up as we get into your Friday morning and sunshine returns as we get into the weekend time period. So here's what it looks like on Futurecast. I added the temperatures on here because the temperatures are going to be really important for us as we move through the day tomorrow. A degree or two can make a huge difference of what kind of precipitation you find here as we get in through the day. So this is at 2:30 in the morning. So while most of us are still sleeping, we're already watching some locations to our south and west already see some winter mix moving in. We'll continue to see this push northward in the Metroplex by 5-6 a.m. And again, the areas that you see in purple, that's where we're looking for snow. In pink, it's a winter mix. So we do have that transition zone happening as we approach the midday time period. Areas to the south will have more mixing, and that's going to cut down on accumulations as we move through the day. But you'll notice temperatures are really close to freezing as we are moving into the afternoon and evening hours. We'll continue to monitor those numbers here, and the highest snow totals going to be for areas to the northeast of DFW. That's where we could see between 4 and 8 inches of snow. And again, it's the temperatures that we'll be watching really closely here. It's not just temperatures at 32 degrees, but it's sometimes the upper level temperatures that can make a difference here. So even if we're at 32 degrees at the ground level, in the higher levels of the atmosphere, if we've got numbers that are just slightly above freezing, that can mean the difference between snow, sleet, and freezing rain here, and that's what we'll find as we move into the day tomorrow. Again, the highest snow totals going to be found for areas north and east of DFW up through Paris and Bonham. By Friday, things are starting to wrap up. We still could see some flurries around, but again, the bulk of the activity is going to be out of here. We may even see some sunshine before the day is done. Into the weekend, we'll be safely above freezing both afternoon days with high temperatures in the mid and upper 40s. And as we move into next week, temperatures rebound into the 50s by Tuesday with a good deal of sunshine around.
Sign up for super weather.